Science, Chapter 7, Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Animals to Climate. Class 7, Exercise. Question number 1. Name the elements that determine the weather of a place. Answer. Temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, air pressure, etc. are the elements of the weather because the weather of a place cannot be determined using these elements. Question number 2. When are the maximum and minimum temperature likely to occur during the day? Answer. The maximum temperature of the day occurs generally in the afternoon, while the minimum temperature occurs generally in the early morning. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. First, the average weather taken over a long time is called dash. Second, a place receives very little rainfall and the temperature is high throughout the year. The climate of that place will be dash and dash. Third, the two regions of the earth with extreme climatic conditions are dash and dash. Answer. First, the average weather taken over a long time is called climate of the place. Second, a place receives very little rainfall and the temperature is high throughout the year. The climate of the place will be hot and dry. Third, the two regions of the earth with extreme climatic conditions are tropical region and polar region. Question number 4. Indicate the type of climate of the following areas. A. Jammu and Kashmir. B. Kerala. C. Rajasthan. D. Northeast India. Answer. A. Jammu and Kashmir, moderately hot and wet climate for a part of the year, extremely cold in winter. B. Kerala, very hot and wet as it is a coastal area. C. Rajasthan, hot and dry because the temperature is high during most part of the year, but during winter, which lasts only for a few months, the temperature is quite low. This region receives very little rainfall. D. Northeast India, wet because the northeastern India receives rains for a major part of the year. Fifth question. Which of the two changes frequently, weather or climate? Answer. Weather changes frequently. Question number 6. Following are the most of the characteristics of animal. First, diets heavy on fruit. Second, white poor. Third, need to migrate. Fourth, loud voice. Fifth, sticky pads on feet. Sixth, layer of fat under skin. Seventh, wide and large pouch. 8, bright colors. 9, strong tails. 10, long and large beak. For each characteristic indicate whether it is adaptation for tropical rainforests or polar regions. Do you think that some of these characteristics can be adapted for both regions? 6. Tropical rainforests. A. First, diet heavy on fruit. Fourth, loud voice. Fifth, sticky pads on feet. 8, bright colors. 9, strong tail. 10, long and large beak. Polar region. Second, white fur. Third, need to migrate. 6, layer of fat on the skin. 7, wide and large pouch. I think that different characteristics can be adapted for different region. Question number 7. The tropical rainforest has a large population of animals. Explain why it is so. Answer. In tropical rainforest, days and nights are almost equal in length throughout the year. The temperature of this region varies from 50 Celsius to 40 Celsius during the year. The regions get plenty of rainfall because of continuous warmth and rain. Those regions support wide variety of plant and animal. The climatic conditions in rainforests are highly suitable for supporting an enormous number and a variety of animals. That is why the tropical rainforest has a large population of animals. Question number 8. Explain with example why we find animals to certain kind living in particular climatic condition. Answer. Animals are adapted to the condition in which they live. These adaptations are the just because of long process of evolution. It would be difficult for them to survive if they are moved to region having different climate conditions than from their habitat. Consider the following example. A popular bear has thick layer of fat under their skin which acts as heat insulator. It protects the bear from extreme cold climate of polar region. The polar bear cannot survive if it is moved to hot and dry desert region. Monkeys have long tails for grasping branches adapted to live in tropical rainforests. It cannot survive in polar region. Question number 9. How do plants living in the tropical rainforest adapt itself? Answer. It has adapted to the condition of rainforest in many remarkable ways. It uses its trunk as a nose because of which it has a strong sense of smell. The trunk is also used by it for picking up food. Moreover, its trunks are modified teeth. This can tear the bark of trees and that elephant loves to eat. So the elephant is able to handle the competition for food rather well. Large ears to the plant help it to the hear even very soft sounds. They also help the plant to keep cool in the hot and humid climate of the rainforest. Question number 10. A carnivore with stripes on its body moves very fast while catching its prey. It is likely to be found in first polar regions, second deserts, third oceans, fourth tropical rainforests. Answer. Fourth tropical rainforests. Question number 11. Which weather adapt polar bears to live in extremely cold climate? First, A. White fur, fat below skin, keen sense of smell. Second, thin skin, large eyes, a white fur. Third, a long tail, strong claws, white, large paws. Fourth, white body, paws for swimming, gills for respiration. Answer. First, a white fur, fat below skin, keen sense of smell. Question number 12. Which option best describe a tropical region? First, hot and humid. Second, moderate temperature, heavy rainfall. Third, cold and humid. Fourth, hot and dry. Answer. First, hot and humid.